Welcome to all. Today I am going to start chapter number 6, Fraction. See page number 78. In this one, we will learn what is fraction. A fraction shows part of a whole. A whole can be a region or a collection. See, the example is given here in this one. In this box, inside 4 boxes are inside. It means 4 is total, and out of 4 only 1 is filled, so that we will write 1 upon 4, and this 1 upon 4 means showing numerator and denominator. One more example is showing here. Next, a fraction that has 1 as the numerator is called a unit fraction. In this one, now we will see types of fraction. First type is like fraction. A like fraction have the same denominator. Unlike fraction have different denominator. Then proper fraction. In this proper fraction, that numerator smaller than the denominator. For example, 1 upon 8, 4 upon 9. It means 4 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. So, numerator is smaller than denominator, that is proper fraction. Then, improper fraction. Improper fraction has a value of 1 or more than 1, have the numerator equal or greater than denominator. In this one, 5 by 2, it means numerator is greater or equal to the denominator. So 5 is greater than 2, it means this is known as improper fraction. Last, a mixed fraction combines a whole number and a fraction. In this one, see this full picture, you will see 1, 2 and 3. This 3 full filled, so that we will write 3. In this one, it is half fill. This is half means 2 part are there. In 2 part, 1 by 2. It means out of 2, 1 part is filled. So we will write as 3 1 by 2. This is known as mixed fraction. It means a combination of whole number and a fraction. Next, finding equivalent fraction. How to find equivalent fraction? This word only represent equal. Equal means always we will get equal fraction. See, in the first one, that 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fraction. See, in this one, this is 1 and this is 1 by 2. This is 1 and this is 2 by 4. So, in this one and this one we have cut it in 2 parts, and this one we have cut it in 4 parts. So, we will represent like 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. So, we will get the same answer. That is known as equivalent fraction. See, one more example is here. 3 upon 7 equals to 15 upon dash. It means we know that the table 3, 15 will come how many times? 5 times. The same thing we will do it here. 7 multiplied by 5. So we will get the answer 35. It means equivalent means equal. Try this. 2 into 3 will come 6. It means 1 into 3 is 3. One more example here. Divide the numerator and denominator by a common factor to find equivalent fraction. In this one, when this kind of question will come, or it is similar as the previous question, the same thing we will do. We have to see which are the things are given. See question number 4. See, we know that this 4 we will multiply by 9, we get 45. Okay, so this number, it means when we are going this side, it's mean multiply. This number we want, so what we can do it here, we can do divide. So 45 divided by 9, we get 5. The same thing we will do it here. 18 divided by 9, we get 2. So next, checking equivalent fraction. In this one, how to check it is equivalent or not. See, since the cross product are equal, the fractions are equivalent. Since the cross product are not equal, the fraction are not equivalent. Question is 2 upon 5 and 6 upon 15. So cross multiplication, 15 2s are 30 and 5 6 are 30. It means 30 and 30. It means both answers are same. So it is equivalent. In this one is 20 and one is 14. So it is not equivalent. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3 in each of these to get an equivalent fraction. Exercise 6a. Okay, we have to multiply by denominator and numerator by 3. So we have done here 1 by 4 multiply by 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12. 3 upon 5. So multiply by 3 and divided by 3. Or we can say both side multiply by 3 only. 3 threes are 9, 5 threes are 15. One more question I have solved here. This question, do it yourself. Next, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, 3 and 4 in each of these to get a set on equivalent fraction. The first one has been done for you. It is in your textbook, that I have not done. Second one, 1 by 4. So first multiply by 2, then multiply by 3, then multiply by 4. So here first multiply by 2, then multiply by 3 and then multiply by 4. Clear? So 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. 4 2s are 8, then 4 3s are 12, then 4 4s are 16. Like this we will do it. One more question I have solved here. It is same. First multiply by 2, then 3, then 4. Next, divide by a common factor to get an equivalent fraction. In this one, we have to divide the same number. It means equal number in both the numbers for equivalent fraction. 6 upon 24. We know that 6 table. In 6 table, 24 is coming? Yes. So we will do divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1 and 24 divided by 6 is 4. So answer is 1 by 4. If you don't know how to do division like this, we have already learned in grade 3rd and 4th. Same thing here. Question number 4. Fill in the empty box. So same thing, 5 and 15. We know that 5 threes are 15. It means 2 threes are 6. Same here. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. See in this question, we know that 5 5s are 25, or we can say that 25 divided by 5, and same here 20 divided by 5 will get 4. Clear? In this one the same thing you can do it here. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. Cross multiply to find whether the fraction are equivalent. Write E if they are and any if they are not. Okay, so cross multiplication we have solved one or two questions from the example one. The same thing we will do it here. So 10 4s are 40, 5 8s are 40. Yes, equal we will write as equivalent. In this one 6 2s are 12 and 9 3s are 27. So both are not equal, it is not equivalent. Clear? Next, a fraction in its lowest term. Page number 82. In this one, lowest term means we have to convert in lowest term by doing division. See, 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. These are the equivalent fraction, but 1 by 2 is the fraction in its lowest term. A fraction is in the lowest term when the only common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. Okay, suppose 2 by 3, it means it is lowest factor. Rarely that some other number will come, almost 1 will come difference of numerator and denominator. So that is known as fraction in its lowest term. See, 18 by 30, you have to find the lowest. In this one, directly you can find if you know till 15 table. If you don't know, you can take by 2 first. So we know that 18 divided by 2 and 30 also divided by 2. So that will come 9 by 15. And again it will be divisible. So it will be the common number now 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Clear? So the lowest term of 18 upon 30 is 3 by 5. Clear? See, in this one, what they have find? Here they have find HCF of 18 and 30 is 6. So directly we can take as a 6. One more, is 7 upon 12 in the lowest term? Yes, because 7 is the prime number and the prime number will go 1 and itself. Now, exercise 6b, page number 83. Question number 1. Reduce the fraction to its lowest term in each of the following. 14 divided by 21. We know that the 14 and the 21 will go in one table only, that is 7. So 14 divided by 7 is 2 and 21 divided by 7 is 3. Next, 9 upon 12. 9 and 12 will go only one table, that is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Next, 10 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5, because common number is 5 in both 10 and 15. So the answer you will get 2 upon 3. Rest question, do it yourself. Question number 2. In this one, reduce the following fraction to their lowest term. Okay, so reduce means we have to convert in the lowest term form. See, 2 upon 6, we know that that's 2 table, 6 will come and 2 also will come. So divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 upon 8, we know that in this one it can go by 2 table also, but we know that 4 and 8 table, it means we know that 4 and 8 will go in 4 table. So directly we can do 4 upon 4. Rest question, do it yourself. In this one more question is given there, that is circle the fractions in its lowest term. So in this one we have to circle it only which one is the lowest term. Comparing fraction is, in comparing fraction, the first one is fraction with the same numerator, page number 84. Okay, so when we are having same numerator, see, find equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 such that they are like fraction. Okay, so if they are having same numerator, so what we can do, we have to find the equivalent fraction first. So equivalent fraction is 2 by 6, 3 by 9 and 4 by 12. Here 2 by 8, 3 by 12. So we have to find the comparison. It means here we get the same denominator first. So in this one more method is there for solving this, that we will do in different denominator one. So here we get the same numerator. So in this one, now we can compare it. 4 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. Which one is greater? 4 upon 12. And the 4 upon 12 will come from 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. One more example here. Rearrange this fraction in descending order. See, 5 upon 6, 5 upon 12, 5 upon 7 and so on. So in this one, we have to arrange in descending order. What is descending order? Descending order means that number we have to arrange is greatest to smallest. So in this one, greatest number means, see, these all are having same numerator. It means now we can compare with the denominator. If denominator is less as compared to all denominator, so that is the greatest one. So after greatest, which number will come? So as sequence you can write it. Next, fraction with different denominator. In this one, when we are having different denominator, so in this one we will find the LCM of 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 LCM we know how to find it, 3 and 5. So 3 ones are 3, then 5 ones are 5. So 5 3s are 15. After this, what is the number? Number is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So we know that convert the fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 15. In this one, we want 15 denominator here. So we know that in 3 table, 15 will come how many times? 5 times. So the same 5 we will multiply with the numerator also. So then 2 5s are 10. Same here. In this one, this 5 table, 15 will come how many times? 3 times. It means that same 3 multiply with the numerator. So we will get 12. Now we can compare it. 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Greater one is 12 upon 15. So actual number of 12 upon 15 is 4 by 5. We will write like this. See, in this one more example is here. We have to arrange in ascending and descending order. Okay, so in this one only we have to compare it of two fraction. Now here 4 and 5 fractions are there. So in this one the same thing we will do it here. First we will find the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 8 is 24. How? Same. Okay, so first you can find the LCM, that is 24. After that the first number is 1 by 2. We know that in this 1 by 2 it means what number we multiply with 2, we will get 24. We will multiply by 12. So same number multiply with numerator. Same here, what number we multiply by 8. So same number multiply with numerator. Same here, what number we multiply by 6, we get 24. So we multiply by 4. Same number with numerator. And the last is what number we multiply by 8, we get 24. So we multiply by 3. So we get 24. So after this we will write all the numbers, then we will compare it. So first we have to find the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. So first number is 9 upon 24, 12 upon 24, 16 by 24, 20 by 24. So after this the actual number of 9 upon 24 is 3 by 8. Then 12 by 24 is 1 by 2. Then 16 by 24 is 2 by 3. And the last is 20 by 24 is 5 by 6. This is ascending order and just opposite is descending order. Okay. Next, exercise 6C. In this one, put this symbol without changing equivalent fraction. Apply the rule you have learned so far. So just now that example I have shown you. So in that one you can solve it, or by taking this LCM of 5 and 7 is 35, then 2 upon 5. So we know that in 5 table this 35 will come 7 times. So both sides we will do multiply by 7. So 14 upon 35. Same here, in 7 table this 35 will come 5 times. So the same number we will multiply here. So 2 5s are 10. After this we will compare it, 14 upon 35 or 10 upon 35. So the greater number is 14 upon 35. It means this 2 by 5 only. One more I have done. Same thing in this one. By using cross multiplication also you can solve it, or by taking LCM also you can solve it. 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. In this one, by cross multiplication. So 3 5s are 15, 4 1s are 4. Greater number is 15. 15 means 3 by 4. Clear? Next is rearrange in ascending order. First question, 9 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 9 upon 21, 9 upon 16 and 9 upon 19. So in this one example we have seen that rearrange this fraction in decreasing order. Here is increasing order. Increasing order means in this one when the numerator is same, so that the greatest denominator will be the smaller one. After that we will arrange as number will come. Okay, in this one, when numerator are same, the smaller number is the biggest number. As different numerator but denominator are same, so in this it is very easy to solve. So the first one, it means that 1 by 15 will come first, then after we will arrange as sequence will come. In this one, denominator and numerator both are different. So here we will take the LCM of denominator. LCM I have solved here. Then first number, second number, third number and fourth number. So we have to do the equivalent first. Equivalent means we want all the denominators are same first. After that we will compare it. Then comparing one, then we will write the ascending order. After ascending order, we will write the actual number. What number will come in that previous step. Here, one more question I have solved. In this one, the same thing, LCM of denominator 12, 8, 4 and 6, that is 24. So in this one, so we want all the same denominator. So first we will convert like this. After that we will compare it. After comparing, we will arrange in ascending order. After arranging, what the actual number like 6 upon 24. 6 upon 24 means 3 by 12. 8 upon 24 means 2 by 6. So the actual number we have to write. Next, rearrange in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. In this one, see, when different denominator and numerator are same, it means the smallest one is the biggest one. Clear? See, 10 upon 14, 10 upon 15, 10 upon 20, 10 upon 22 and 10 upon 35. Same in this one. What is same here? Denominator are same and different numerator. So when different numerator you are having, so you can arrange as sequence will come like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have to arrange in descending order. So opposite we will do like 15, 11, 10, 9, 8 and the denominator are 19. Next question. In this one, denominator and numerator both are different. So when both are different, we will find the LCM first. LCM already done here. So first, this 2 by 3. In this 2 by 3, this 30 will come how many times? 10 times. So we will multiply with the numerator. Same here, in 5 table 30 will come 6 times. So both sides we will do multiply by 6. Same here, in 2 table 30 will come 15 times. So we will multiply by 15 and 6 table 30 will come 5 times. We will multiply by 5. After that we will compare it. So first we will arrange, then we will compare it. And after comparing, what is the actual number? That actual number we have to write. One more question I have solved here. Next topic, that is addition. Addition means in this one we will add the fraction. Okay, adding unlike fraction. See, in this one 3 more examples are there. So that 3 more and this one all are similar. So only 2 examples. Example number 4, page number 88. See, 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10. Okay, so LCM, first we have to find the LCM of 5 and 10. That will come 10. So again the same thing. This 5 multiplied by what number? We will get 10. So 5 multiplied by 2, we get 10. Then, so same number we will multiply with numerator also. So, this 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4. After that, in this one, so the first one is, we want 10 denominator here and 10 also here. So what we can do it here, 4 upon 10 we will write in place of 2 by 5, and this 1 upon 10 remains same. So when we are having same denominator, we can add the numerator, and denominator we will write single only, don't write twice. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 10 we will write in the lowest form 1 by 2. How? We will divide it by 5 both side. We know that in table 5 10 will come. Next, 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10 equals to 1 by 2. This is the answer we get. Next, 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. So first take the LCM of 4 and 3. That will come 12. So after this, how this 3 by 4 we will write as 9 by 12. Same thing we will do it here. 3 by 4. What number we will multiply here? We get 12. So we multiply here, 4 3s are 12. It means the same number we will write it here. So we get 9. So 9 upon 12. Same here, 2 by 3 we will write as 8 upon 12. Then after that, now we are having same denominator, so we will add numerator. 9 plus 8 equals to 17. 17 upon 12. In this one, we will convert as a mixed fraction. How we will convert as mixed fraction? That also we have to learn. See, 17 and 12. 12 divided by 17 means 1 time 12 will come, and this remain 5. So this 1 will go to whole number, and this remainder will go to numerator place, and this 12 remain same. So the answer is 1 5 by 12. Got it? Exercise 6D. In this one, first question, solve 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. So first we will find the LCM of 8 and 4, that will come 8. After that, in this one, 1 multiplied by 8, we know that in 8 table 8 will come 1 time. So we will multiply both side here 1. Then 1 by 4, this 8 will come 2 times. So multiply by 2, numerator as well as denominator. So this will come 2 by 8. Now in 1 by 8 we will write as it is 1 by 8. In 1 by 4 we will write 2 by 8. Now we are having same denominator. So 2 plus 1 is 3 by 8. One more question, 9 and 3. So the LCM is 9 only. So 9 multiplied by what number we will get 9? Multiply by 1. So the same number we will multiply with numerator. So that will come 1 upon 9. And 2 by 3, in this 3 table, 9 will come how many times? 3 times. So multiply both side 3. So 2 3s are 6. So after this, 1 by 9 remains same. This 2 by 3 we will write as 6 by 9. Now we are having same denominator. So 1 plus 6 is 7 by 9. Clear? Like this question you have to solve. Next, number 2. Solve. Give your answer in the lowest term or as a mixed number. Just now mixed number we have learned. In this mixed number, when numerator is greater than denominator, it means that is improper fraction. So in that condition we will convert as a mixed number. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So in this one, the same thing we will do it first. First find the LCM. Okay, after finding LCM, then this 1 by 6 remain 1 by 6 because the LCM is 6. This 1 by 3. It means in this 3 table, we have to multiply by 2. We get the 6 denominator. So here also multiply by 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Now we will add 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So we get 3 by 6. So in this one we know that will come in same table 3. So divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Clear? In this one all the things are same. See, after this, while adding 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 means 13 upon 10 means that is improper fraction. Improper fraction means that we have to convert is the mixed fraction. So how we will convert it? Read the 10 table. 10 ones are 10. Okay. So 1 will come is whole place. And 11, 12, 13. 3 are remaining. So remainder will go to numerator place. Clear? And same question here. Last topic, that is adding mixed number. Okay, mixed number means it is a combination of whole number and a fraction, is known as mixed number. See, 1 3 by 6 and 2 5 by 6. They are having same denominator. It is easy to solve. So first we will add this whole number. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we will add this fraction. So 3 plus 6 and 5 plus 6. So 3 and 5 is 8 by 6. Here now we will write as a mixed number. 8 by 6 we will write as 1 2 by 6. So here this 3 and this 1 again we will add, that will come 4 2 by 6, and we know that this 2 by 6 will come in 2 table. So 2 by 6 divided by 2, so that will come 1 by 3. So answer is 4 1 by 3. That is for like fraction. And like fraction means having same denominator. And the next is unlike fraction, that is having different denominator. In this one, 3 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 4. See, so first we will add this whole number and then we will add this fraction number. So see, 3 by 2 is 5 and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. In this one, 2 and 4 having different denominator. So first we will make it as same denominator by taking LCM. LCM will come 4. We know that in this 2 table this 4 will come 2 times. So multiply by 2. And in this 4 table 4 will come 1 times, multiply by 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So now 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. So this 5 plus 3 by 4 will come 5 3 by 4. In this one, second method is there, that convert the mixed number into improper first. So first that mixed number is given there, that you have to convert in improper fraction, and then you will add by taking LCM. Now the last exercise of today's class, exercise 6E. Question number 1. Solve using any method you like. Give the answer in the simplest form. See, 5 plus 3, 1 by 2. So first I told, first you can add whole number. Whole numbers are 5 and 3. That will come 8. And 8, 1 by 2 is the answer. Next is, again they are having same denominator. So it is easy to solve. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And 3 by 7 and 2 by 7 is 5 by 7. So answer is 5 by 7. One more question I have solved here. In this one, that you have to convert in the lowest form also. So same thing, 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is 2 by 4, and we know that this 2 by 4 will go to 2 tables, so divided by 2. So this will be 1 by 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2, we can say that 3 1 by 2. In this one, when they are having different denominators, so we can add first whole number 1 plus 2. So that will come 3. Then 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. So in this one, we will find the LCM first. LCM will come 12, and we know that this 4 table, this 12 will come 3 times. So multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9, and this 3 table 12 will come 4 times. So multiply by 4. So 2 4s are 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. So this we will convert first mixed fraction. So 12 ones are 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 5. 5 will come as a remainder. So 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5 by 12. So 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5 by 12 we can write as 4 5 by 12. In this one, two more question I have solved here. You can go through once. Let's see recap. In this chapter, they have learned numerator, denominator, and types of fraction like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. After that, finding equivalent fraction, then a fraction in its lowest term, then comparing fraction. In comparing fraction, they have learned fraction with the same numerator and fraction with the different denominator. Then addition. Addition, adding unlike fraction, they have learned here. Then the last is adding mixed number. In this one, adding mixed number with like fraction and adding mixed number with unlike fraction. Now for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Thank you and goodbye. Let's see recap. In this chapter, they have learned numerator, denominator, and types of fraction like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. After that, finding equivalent fraction, then a fraction in its lowest term, then comparing fraction. In comparing fraction, they have learned fraction with the same numerator and fraction with the different denominator. Then addition. Addition, adding unlike fraction, they have learned here. Then the last is adding mixed number. In this one, adding mixed number with like fraction and adding mixed number with unlike fraction. Now for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Thank you and goodbye.